Cirrhosis is a major cause of hospitalization and death, and it is a rather common condition than we might think. In fact, according to the NIH, about 1 in 400 adults in the United States have cirrhosis, and the numbers could be even higher in other parts of the world. Now, there are a lot of additional symptoms that could point towards cirrhosis, but there are 7 main warning signs that you need to be aware of. In this video, we'll talk about these signs, the effects of losing liver function, and what you can do to prevent or manage cirrhosis for a healthier liver and life. But first, let's understand what it is. Liver cirrhosis. Well, cirrhosis may sound like a complicated medical term, but essentially it means that the liver has become severely scarred. It is an advanced stage liver disease in which healthy liver cells are replaced by scar tissue and prevent the liver from working normally. Now, what's intriguing about the liver is that it has incredible regenerative capabilities. It can repair itself when injured, but when the damage is severe and chronic, it can lead to cirrhosis. Some of the common causes of liver cirrhosis include heavy alcohol consumption, smoking, drug use, viral infections, and bad diet choices like excessive intake of refined sugars, especially fructose, seed oils, and carbohydrates. Some people can also develop cirrhosis due to fatty liver, which is caused by excessive fat deposits in the liver. The inflammation caused by these factors leads to the development of specialized cells known as myofibroblasts, which contribute to the formation of scar tissue and loss of liver function. So, what happens when you lose liver function? When you get cirrhosis, your risk of developing cancer in the liver can increase significantly. And because the liver makes about 1 liter of bile every day, insufficient bile production can affect your digestion, particularly fats, omega-3 fatty acids, soluble vitamins, and the removal of cholesterol and toxins. One of these health issues is a deficiency in vitamin A. The liver stores and retains a lot of vitamin A, so if the liver is not functioning properly, you may experience low levels of this essential vitamin. This can lead to vision problems, skin issues, and a weakened immune system. The liver also stores iron, so when it is not working properly, either you can become anemic or excess iron can accumulate in the body, which can worsen cirrhosis. Another important function of the liver is storing glucose in the form of glycogen. Some body parts, like the lens of the eye, parts of the kidney, and areas of the brain, require glucose to function properly. If the liver is unable to store glucose, these tissues suffer, which can lead to various health issues. The liver also helps digest carbs, proteins, and fats. So when it is impaired, toxins can build up in the body, particularly in the skin. The liver is also responsible for producing and eliminating cholesterol, so if it is damaged, cholesterol can accumulate in the tissues, leading to further health problems. Also, your liver fights pathogens, so if you can't do that, you can end up with systemic infections. Damage to the liver can also result in a lack of blood proteins, leading to fluid retention and swelling in various parts of the body, such as the legs and abdomen. The liver also produces insulin-like growth factor, IGF, which plays a crucial role in protein synthesis and fuel mobilization. So when it doesn't make enough of this hormone, it can lead to a host of problems related to growth and energy regulation. Liver cirrhosis can also dramatically affect the conversion of thyroid hormones from T4 to T3, which can cause a whole cascade of thyroid-related symptoms. You may even experience difficulties in activating vitamin D, which has far-reaching effects on the immune system, pain management, and blood pressure regulation. In simple words, liver cirrhosis not only affects your liver's health, but it also has a domino effect on the rest of your body, including your brain, kidneys, heart, immune system, and hormone production. HUDs. Now, let's talk about 7 warning signs of cirrhosis. Number 1 is dark urine. Our liver is responsible for over 500 vital functions, and one of them is to help recycle red blood cells. The byproduct of this process is a substance called bilirubin, which gives our urine its characteristic yellow color. However, when the liver is damaged or impaired, it cannot break down bilirubin effectively, which leads to a build-up of this pigment in the urine. This can cause our urine to appear darker than usual, ranging from amber to brown in color. While dehydration and certain medications can also cause dark urine, if it persists, it could be a sign of cirrhosis. Number 2 is ascites. Ascite ST is a condition in which fluid accumulates in the abdominal cavity, causing swelling and discomfort. This fluid buildup is a result of increased pressure in the portal vein, which carries blood to the liver. When the liver is hurt, blood flow through the portal vein is impeded and can cause fluid to leak into the abdomen. It is a huge clue that you may have cirrhosis. Number 3 is mood and personality changes. Well, we know that this sounds odd, but bear with us. As we said earlier, when the liver is damaged, it can't process toxic substances properly, and one of those toxins is ammonia. When levels of ammonia in the blood rise, it can cause brain fog, confusion, and changes in mood and behavior. You can even go into a coma. The medical profession usually treats this with lactulose, a medication that helps convert ammonia into a less toxic form. Number 4 is feeling tired all the time. Most of us feel tired from time to time, but if you have cirrhosis, it can be a persistent symptom. You may find that no matter how much rest you get, you still feel exhausted and weak. This can be due to a variety of factors related to liver dysfunction, such as anemia, poor nutrient absorption, and hormonal imbalances. Number 5 is jaundice. Jaundice is also a common sign of cirrhosis. It occurs when the liver is unable to remove bilirubin, a yellowish substance, from the blood. As a result, this pigment can build up in the skin and whites of the eyes, giving them a yellowish appearance. Number 6 is chronic discomfort in the right upper abdomen. A person with cirrhosis may also experience pain in the upper abdomen, especially on the right side where the liver is located. This discomfort can range from mild to severe and may be accompanied by a feeling of fullness or pressure in the area, which can indicate the enlargement of the liver. Number 7 is itchy, hot feet. The last warning sign of cirrhosis is the sensation of itching or burning in the feet. This is caused by a buildup of bile salts in the body, which can lead to irritation and inflammation. It is often worse at night and can be accompanied by redness, swelling, or blisters on the feet. If you experience this symptom along with any of the others mentioned above, it could be an indication that you have cirrhosis. So, what can you do to prevent or manage cirrhosis? Sadly, there is no drug or medicine that can fix cirrhosis, end-stage liver disease, completely. The only solution for this is through a liver transplant, which can be expensive and may have a long waiting list. However, there are certain things you can do to prevent or manage cirrhosis if you catch it early on. First, you have to stop whatever is causing the problem in the first place. This could be due to excessive alcohol consumption, high intake of junk food or fried foods, and even certain medications. Making changes in your diet and lifestyle can greatly help in managing cirrhosis. Next, you may want to try natural remedies such as milk thistle, which is known for its powerful effects on the liver. It can help with various conditions and potentially replace some medications. Other options include taking decoy liver pills like bovine liver pills, which can help reduce inflammation and give the liver a chance to reset. You can also try TUDCA, a special type of bile salt that has shown improvements in cirrhosis and fatty liver. Taking 750 to 1500 milligrams per day can be beneficial. Also, consider taking tocotrienols, a special form of vitamin E that can help break down fibrous tissue in the liver. Cruciferous vegetables like kale, broccoli, and radishes are also great for the liver as they contain phytonutrients that can aid in detoxing excess estrogen. Lastly, following a healthy version of keto and incorporating intermittent fasting can also induce autophagy, which helps clear out damaged proteins in the liver. While liver cirrhosis may seem like a hopeless condition, there are still things you can do to manage it and improve your overall quality of life. By understanding the warning signs, taking preventative measures, and making lifestyle changes, you can take control of your health and potentially slow down the progression of cirrhosis. But as we always say, if you suspect that you may have cirrhosis or any other serious health condition, it is essential to consult a medical professional for proper diagnosis and treatment. We hope this video has given you valuable information and helped raise awareness about this often overlooked disease. If you found this video in any way helpful, please feel free to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content.